Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get Claude AI PRO for free, guys. So if you want to learn how to do it, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself, guys. You can be able to do it also you on your own. So before we start, guys, let me show you my invoices in my Claude account. And as you can see over here, guys, I already got 3 months already for free by using promo code, guys. So now I'm going to show you how you actually can get your own code as well. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It might be iOS, it might be Android. The steps are going to be the same. And the next step is to go to your internet browser and search about this site called novocoupons.com. So once you're going to enter in, you have a lot of other things which you might check later. I'm just going to use the searching bar to find it faster. Type here Claude Pro. Okay, here we are. You just need to press on it and now press your coupon code, and I just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys, so the circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you the code is actually locked. You press the button below, get the full code. The next step is going to require you guys to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. It's pretty simple to do it. You just need to read the instructions. It says over here, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Claude AI PRO code for free. You have a node, do not use VPN or proxy. So if you're using any VPN or proxy, you just need to turn it off before, guys, okay? So what you have to do, guys, down below you're gonna see a list of apps which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete as a task. All the apps are for free, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from official stores, from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you are using. So what you have to do, guys, you just need to read the instructions and try to find which one is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. Once you're going to choose which one you want to do, you just go and press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you have to do, and press unlock now. It's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Play Store if you're using an Android device. So once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing you have to do is to download the app, and then after you download the app, you need to complete the task required as per description. When you finish with the first app, you go back to the site, do the second app, and then you're going to be able to unlock the code, and I'm going to show you how you actually can do that. I'll just need to complete the apps real quick, and then I'll come back to you to show how to unlock the code. So here we are, guys. I just completed the apps. I did this over here, and now how to unlock the code, you go back one more time to the site. Once you're going to come back one more time over here, down below you're going to find the button to take you back. For iPhones here, for Android you should have it here, the button take you back. You just go and press it, and then as you can see, guys, the code get unlocked. So if you try to get back immediately without completing the task, the code is going to show locked again. Or if you do complete the task correctly as per description, the code it will show locked again. So you need to pay a little bit of attention to the description so don't make any mistake, guys. So guys, this code is unused one. It's going to be a gift from our first viewer. For the rest of you, you just need to complete the steps that I showed you. You're going to be able to do it as well. So this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.